let's show you how an LED video wall can completely change the game for school gyms. More and more schools are replacing old projectors with modern LED screens, not just for better visibility, but for live scoring, event streaming, and even movie nights. And we recently did just that at Senator Gershaw School in Bow Island, Alberta. We installed a 15 by 8 foot indoor LED video wall right inside the gym, bringing a whole new level of functionality and energy to the space. Once the structure was up, we pre-assembled all LED panels on the ground, saving time and ensuring precision. From there, our team lifted and mounted the panels one by one until the full screen was in place. The result? A seamless, high-resolution display that looks fantastic from anywhere in the gym. And because this is a gym, we know things can get damaged. That's why we used LED modules with an extra epoxy coating, designed to protect the screen from impact during games and events. So there's no need for extra shielding or covers. This screen is made to stand up to real-world use. Here are a few words from the school principal about how this upgrade is already making a difference.
I'm Scott Engel, principal of Senator Gershaw School in Bow Island, Alberta. Yeah, I wanted to make our gym more entertaining for our students. And also I wanted a space where we could have more assemblies, bigger assemblies, get our kids really excited about what's going on in our school. And also our gym's a focal point for our community, and we want to make sure our community has a good experience while they're in here. Well, the benefit of LED screen, in my opinion, was I didn't have to drop down a projector or have a projector hanging up and a screen coming down. And the other thing I like about this is it fully projects in full light. So it's an LED screen, so in full light, we can have all the lights on in the gym, and we have good screen pixelation, and it looks good for our students. So that's why I like it. If I was looking at the cost between putting a projector in a screen or an LED screen, they're similar. Well, actually, it's gone really smoothly. You got it installed earlier than I expected, which was awesome. And it looks good. It fits our wall. Though I guess the only thing is I'd been interested if you saw our gym before we put it up, but at the same time, happy it all worked out as well as it did. I was a little nervous that it would have fit perfectly. I didn't measure it. I just kind of did my best guess, based on the size of our gym, and it fits really well. So I'm really happy with the way it fits. I'm happy with the way it's actually constructed on there. A little bit out from the wall, that's okay, and it turned out really well.
If you're considering an upgrade at your school, church, event space, or just want to learn more about LED technology, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. At Canadian LED, we help you bring your visual experience to the next level.